Good morning. So today I just really want to talk about healing and the process and what people generally go through when something happens to them, a traumatic experience, when they hurt or it's a heartbreak or, stuff that like they cannot control. Healing takes time, and it really isn't about moving on. It's just about going through the actual process and allowing yourself heal on the inside. And sometimes we feel like when you have an experience, and then you feel like it's easy to think that like you've healed, maybe because the time between where you are now and when you had the experience has been really long. And they say time heals, yes, but if you do not deal with an issue, sometimes you don't completely get over it. So yes, sometimes we confuse long period of time between when an incident occurred or when we had an experience and where we are now today. And then we think that because it has taken so long a period of time that we've gotten over it. And so because of that assumption, when situations like that happen again, we find ourselves going through the same experience or getting hurt again or having a heartbreak and all that. And this time might be due to reasons completely different from before, but might be as a result of our actions now based on the experience that we had before. So it's really important to take your time to be with yourself, ask yourself direct and genuine questions that will help you get to the root of understanding why what happened, what exactly happened, and how you intend to deal with what happened, because it's important to heal. So I had an experience, something happened, I don't know if I want to share exactly, but I knew that it was going to take time for me, because what happened was really deep and it really hit me in my core, but I've also consciously made effort to move past it and try everything that I can to actually allow myself go through the period of pain and gradual healing. And recently, because it's about a year now since it happened, recently I just thought that I was okay, and I slept last night and I had this really weird dream, nothing scary but it was just some sort of reminder. And then it hit me that probably I feel like I will, but in my subconscious I'm not like completely, over this yet. And when I woke up this morning, if I've completely healed, I feel like when I wake up, I'm just supposed to, move on with my day, and But when I woke up this morning, it actually affected me, because then I realized really that even though I've moved past it, my inside isn't done with it yet, and so I have to take time to allow my inside get to where my mind is. My soul, my spirit woman has to catch up with where my mind is right now. So I'm just not going to speed or try to act like it's not there. I'm going to try to take out time to breathe, to heal, to reconcile, and to allow my inner man resonate with where I want to be emotionally and spiritually. And truth is, first, I think that forgiveness is the first step to that, which is what I've done, forgiving myself and forgiving yourself and whoever else is involved, and really just showing so much love and to yourself, really, and to everyone around you, and allowing the universe bring all of that energy of love and peace and harmony, back to you. So I just thought to make a video because I wanted to get it off my chest, but also because I felt like there might be somebody out there who needs to hear this. And if you feel the same way I feel this morning, I want you to know that it's not a problem, and you need to first accept, realize where you are. Do not live in denial, and really just allow yourself become what you want. But first you have to allow yourself unbecome, if there's a word like that, what you are now or what you were, to get to where you want to be in your heart. And it's really important because it's important that your heart, your soul, your spirit, your mind, they're all in synergy, to make you feel the way that you should feel, to make you feel whole as a person. And when you're whole as a person, then you can disperse the right energy to everyone around you and to the universe, and somehow things will start to work for you and for your inner man or woman to find peace on your inside. So cheers to peace, to happiness, to love, and to greatness. And this is just a reminder, you are great, you're amazing, you're extraordinary. Until you know who you are, you wouldn't excel. So cheers. You need to take your time, appreciate yourself, love yourself, and understand who you are. And cheers to greater heights. Love you.